Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at a new part for the 87 to 91 trucks. Restoring your Ford truck can be a rewarding experience, but sometimes finding those finishing touches can be very difficult. Over the years, these nameplates and emblems become worn, faded, broken, or even may be missing completely. Dennis Carpenter has reproduced the XLT Lariat instrument panel nameplate, and it fits all of the F-150 through F-350 models with this popular trim package. Featuring raised chrome-plated lettering with a black accent background, these OEM nameplates are made exactly like the Ford originals and are officially licensed by the Ford Motor Company. They come complete with a peel and stick backing for an easy and trouble-free installation. So if you are freshening up the interior of your 87 to 91 Ford truck, these will help bring back that factory showroom appearance. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.